Hey guys, hope you guys having a blessed and productive day. Today we're going to be talking about how to become a freelancer and what you need. Firstly, identify your passion. That passion is your skill. So whatever you're passionate about that's your skill. That's what God gave you. So you're going to turn that skill into a service. Let's say, for example, back in 2018, I started my online store, and one of the major issue that I have was to find a supplier, right? And I started to do my research, and I realized that that's something that I love to do, doing research on things, right, that can solve an issue for me. So I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna turn this into a service. So I created a service to help business out there or individual that want to start up their business, and that is a vendor list service. And can I tell you, that passion that I have in doing research for my business, I turned it into a service and started to make money from my passion. So you can do it too. All right, so you already have your skill. You write down your skills that you want. The next step is, then you're gonna go on freelancing platform and you're gonna check to see the pricing that they have their service quote as. The same service that you want to provide, you're gonna check their price range so that you can quote it as the same price range, or make sure that it's not higher or below the value. All right, the next step is to create a brand. To get your freelancing business from off the ground to become profitable, you need to think about how you will market yourself and market your service. Your brand is your identity, so it should show who you are and what you do and what you can do to help business out there as a freelancer. Your brand should include your website, your social media accounts, and all that you do that can help business out there. All right, so the next step is you're going to create a portfolio that includes all the information about your service and what you can do to help business. All right, so once you've done that, the next step is, and this is the part where a lot of persons tend to give up at this part, where you will need to put yourself out there to get clients coming into you, and that is pitching clients. And how do you do that? The same portfolio that you create, you're gonna search for clients on the internet. Clients are on TikTok, clients are on Facebook, Instagram. You're gonna find those business and you're gonna send them an email. Look for their website, search for their email. You're gonna send them an email and you're gonna pitch them through that email or on their business page. All right, you're gonna showcase your service, what you do, and you're gonna link all the information there that would be in your portfolio. Okay, you can also try out the 10 before 10 rule, where every morning before 10 a.m. you dedicate yourself in sending out emails or reaching out to clients that you believe would need your service, and you let them know what you do and how you can help their business. So you do this every morning before 10. All right, so this is something that if you practice it every day, I am guaranteed that you will land yourself your first client. And also you can try out freelancing platforms, for example, Fiverr, Upwork, freelancing.com. You have so much, you have flex jobs, you have so much marketplace that you can market your service on. These marketplace, freelancing marketplace, already have clients that are searching for people like you and I that will contact you to do tasks for them based on the service that you are selling. All right, so that is all you need, right? Turn your passion into profit. Get started now, and if you need any help, any assistance, reach out to me and I'm here to help you.